Hi, are you looking for the best home and the best location and you want to stay within budget? Come take a tour of 46 Transylvania Ave, located in Largo Sound Park, one of Key Largo's most sought after neighborhoods, with a great homeowners park offering a beach, boat ramp, and great boating access to the bay or oceanside. It's everything the Florida Keys lifestyle has to offer. This brand new construction home offers nearly 2,000 square feet of beautifully designed entertainment areas. Also, 3 bedrooms, 3.5 baths, each with its own private ensuite. But check out this kitchen. It's an entertainer's dream. In true Florida Keys fashion, this home comes complete with a beautiful pool, a perfectly pavered backyard, and giant porches. If you like to entertain outdoors year-round, this is the spot for you.